Letter to editor about traffic problems. The editor, The Daily News, Sahiwal. Sir, though the columns of your esteemed paper, I want to draw the attention of the district government to the very serious problem of traffic in our city. Thousands of people travel daily from one place to another, but the roads are damaged and the buses are outdated. There are jolts and jerks in the moving vehicles. The fare of the rickshaws and buses are very high, and common man cannot afford them. Buses indulge in overloading and rash driving and thus causes accidents. The condition of big buses is also very bad. They often break down on the way. This plight of the city traffic is getting worse every day. It is the time that the authorities should wake up and take action before it is too late. Yours faithfully, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.